guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a beach life themed door sign, and as you can see it is 3D and there's definitely a few pieces that we're going to have to color today. And so I'm just going to remove all my other little pieces aside. And as you can see, there's definitely a lot of pieces. Definitely love making puzzles, so I definitely enjoy doing these signs. So the first piece that I'm going to color is going to be my beach waves, and I'm going to be using this pearlescent shiny glittery blue, and when the sun hits it, it's definitely gonna make it pop. And so bear with me while I just set up my airbrush machine right now. I'm just running some warm water through it. Make sure I have no other paints left over from my previous project. And of course, as you see here, I am using a 70% alcohol, just so that I can really just ooze out those colors that are sitting there from my previous project. And as you can see, I use this big towel where I just go ahead and I spray stuff just to make sure that all color is really just cleared out, because once you start airbrushing a new piece, you really don't want that old color you were using to kind of spritz and blend in with your new color. So just bear with me, sit tight, listen to some music as I clean my gun and start spraying this first piece. Okay, so here we are to the branches of our tree and the sand, and we are going to be using a chocolate color to do this piece. And while I do that, go ahead and continue enjoying some music. If you like what you see so far, please be sure to hit that subscribe button, your thumbs up, and leave some comments below. All right, so here we are to the other part of our palm trees. We are going to be using a lime green color to these. And as I go ahead and continue to airbrush these without having them fly away from me, feel free to go ahead and leave some comments below, and feel first beach chair, and I'm going to be using a simple red on this one. And so it's not going to take too long to color it. So as you can see, it's picking up the color really good, very bright, and it's going to look fantastic. So if you guys are still with me and you're still enjoying this video, be sure to hit that subscribe button. Okay, here we are with our second beach chair, and we are going with a simple bright yellow to brighten up this chair. So if you guys are still watching and you guys are still with me, be sure to hit that subscribe button and head over to my social media, Instagram and Alright, we are close to the end and we are going to be coloring our letters, and for this I'm just using a simple black matte finish color. As you can see, with small letters or any small objects that you're airbrushing is challenging because of the pressure of the gun. It sends your little pieces flying. As you can see, my husband had to assist me to pick up a few of the pieces that flew away, and so definitely just take your time. Be expected to get your fingers colored, but it definitely is worth airbrushing. Your beach life 3D door sign. The colors look great. They came out exactly how I wanted them to. The only thing that's missing is just that beautiful bow that I'll be attaching to hang it on the door. If you guys have some ideas of what color ribbons I should put on this, feel free to go ahead and leave your comments below. And so if you guys enjoy watching, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and give me your feedback and follow me on Instagram and Facebook. And so thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoy and you guys have a great week. God bless you.